morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, February 22nd. It is 10 o'clock, and we are having a slow morning due to we are under a winter ice or winter storm warning. We are in the bullseye of the ice that we're supposed to get. The warning starts at 10 a.m. and it goes until Thursday, 4 a.m. So far, knock on wood, we haven't had too much, but the sleet has just started. It is just barely starting, but it's only 30 degrees out right now. We have a storm, the snowstorm that's coming from the west is coming over. That will take part of half of the state of Michigan from the middle of the Mitten State up north, and then the lower part, right where we are, this section is supposed to be ice, and then the lower counties are supposed to have rain. If we could get up to 32, then maybe we would get the sleet stuff. We just don't want the icy rain, because that means that they're predicting that we could have up to a half an inch, some areas up to an inch. So, but anyways, so this morning I have my coffee right here. It is coffee with French vanilla sugar-free creamer in it. This is my second cup. Then I have just made my smoothie for the morning, and this one is Greek yogurt for 0 points, 2% milk for 5 points, a banana for 0, and frozen mixed fruits for 0. So my breakfast is a 6-point breakfast. So we are as prepared as we can be. We do have a backup generator if we should lose, and knock on wood and pray that we don't. But it's only supposed to last through 4 a.m. and then it's going to get up to Friday in the 40s, so that will help melt it all off. The problem with that is then it drops down to low of 17, so it will flash freeze everything. So, but this is how it is in Michigan. We always say, wait a few minutes, it will change. But the storms up here have been really crazy like this lately. But anyways, I hope you all have a great Wednesday, and I will touch bases with you again at lunchtime. Good afternoon, everyone. It is lunchtime, and for lunch today, because I'm not too hungry, I think my nerves are getting the best of me for this ice storm that we are under. I am having Daisy cottage cheese, half a cup, and that is 4 points. I'm having the pears in the snack size for 0, that is drained. And then for 4 points, I'm going to have a bag of Doritos. I am on my second Crystal Light Pink Lemonade. And I am just sitting here going to watch some YouTube videos. I started a new cross stitch, and I'll insert pictures of all those. And so far, we've had a light coating of freezing rain on the sidewalks and the decks and everything like that, and we're hoping that that's what it will continue to be, because this goes until 4 a.m. on Thursday morning. So, but I hope you all are having a great day, and I will see you at supper time. everybody. Happy Wednesday. It is 3:35, and I just thought I'd come on and just tell you how the day's been going. The storm, you can see me back here. That's probably not a good angle. So we are right in the middle of the what they would call the bullseye, and we have been very lucky so far that it's been sleeting most of the day, which, you know, after so many hours, that's not going to be a good thing. So, but I want to flip the camera, show you what we are making today, trying to keep our minds from the weather. So just a second. So in here we have started chicken and noodles, chicken noodle soup. Basically it is, you boil the chicken with all your stuff in it for several hours, and then towards the end Jerry will add the frozen mixed vegetables, and then he'll add frozen noodles, and that will be our supper tonight. And then in this bowl I started my brioche bread. It has to rise now for like 2 to 3 hours till it's doubled, and then I will let it fall out of the bowl and put it on a flour counter, and then I will shape it into the size of my loaf pan, put it in my greased loaf pan, and then I'll let it set for another 45 minutes till it's to the top of the loaf pan, and then it will bake. So, but let me flip this back again. So anyways, I have just been cross stitching today, and I did get my last cross stitch framed, and it is hung up, and I will post pictures. And let me flip again. Here is Miss Cali. She knows something's up, just doesn't know what. Right, Cali? Right. So right now this is what it looks like out our back door. We got all the birdies. Oh, I just scared them. But we have, it could be a lot worse. It could be a lot worse. But this goes until, well, the warning goes until 4 a.m. on Thursday. So this is what we are waiting, and hoping that this is the worst of it and that we won't get too much more, because we were in the zone that said up to a ½ inch of ice. Let me zoom in by the bird feeders, because you can see the glaze of ice that has been forming on right there. And so this is what I'm doing today. I'm trying not to let my nerves get the best of me. I've been crafting and trying to stay on track. So far I am on track. So I will let you all go, and we will be talking to you later. Won't we, Miss Cali? Won't we, Miss Cali? Yeah. So I will see you guys at supper time, or if not, before. Hello everybody, it is Wednesday night at 6 p.m. and our chicken and noodles is all done. This is 13 points for this serving, and it is noodles with mixed vegetables, frozen mixed vegetables, and chicken, and then you have your broth in it. So it is a 13-point supper.